I am editing one of my upcoming vlogs. Well, you would have seen it by now, actually. But see how I'm just watching it right before I post. 13 minutes, 54 seconds. This is not a flattering angle, but I woke up not too long ago and I haven't washed, so. But it's 13 minutes, 54 seconds after the final run, right? It was an hour and 15 minutes. Why do I ramble so much? And it's a lot of the dancing. I don't know what it is. Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Howie, and you would have seen me editing one of my videos that I have posted already since you just saw it. But I've been up since 8 a.m. and it's 10:30 right now, and edited the video for about an hour and a half-ish. And then now I'm up again, brush my teeth, and I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. Also, I want to take today to clean out my fridge and freezer because I have been eating like the same few things, and I know for a fact there are things that have gone bad, so I need to get rid of them before I go grocery shopping tomorrow. I think my freezer should be good. It's just the fridge. It's looking interesting, and I am warning you now, if you don't like it, don't look. Let's eat first. This is breakfast, avocado toast and eggs. So this is what it's looking like just from the get-go. But if you take a closer look, you'd be surprised. And this is what the freezer looks like. It's relatively clean, and I use everything that's in there. It's just I need to organize it. This is how it's looking. I have to peel these things, but besides that, the top layer is pretty good. This, however, no bueno. There's some ice in there. These are pretty clean as well, but I do still want to just clean them off. Here we are, squeaky clean. Now I need to put everything back in the freezer. This is what we're looking like. This is the smoothie drawer or part, and then my burger patties, the rice cakes, and then butter and more butter and sauce right here. And then right here we have our salmon, and then pretty much everything down here and up here is frozen veggies. These two containers are soup, and then I have veggie stock right there for my soup, some pancakes, and a bagel back there, and one side dish. And up here we have 3 different fries, crinkle fries, seasoned fries, sweet potato fries, and tater tots. And then just ice, and then this for when I get hurt. Now it's time to take out everything from the fridge. This is the one that's the most work. You see that? I don't even know what it is. And you see that? What the hell? Look at this. Right. And ew! This gross. I don't really put anything in there except like onions. So it's but I still need to clean it. Same with this one. And then that is something I'm using to clean it, so don't say nothing, but look at that. I forgot to do the time lapse, but she's clean. I have to put the drawers in there because I took them out. This is how she's looking for now. I don't know what this is, and I can't take it off. I definitely need to go grocery shopping, but she's clean, so I'm happy. Now that I'm done with that, I want lunch, obviously. My back hurts from like leaning to clean the fridge, but I'm gonna take out the trash and recycling first. And I have an Amazon package missing. It said it was delivered in the mail room and I checked already, but I'm gonna go check again to be safe before I like message them and be like, where is it? But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna eat for lunch. I'll figure that out while I'm getting rid of everything. And then I have to do dishes because my sink is full. Can you believe the amount of recycling I've required in the last week and a half to 2 weeks? And trash. Most of it, not most of it, like a third of it, is from cleaning up my fridge. It's heavy. Sorry for this weird ass lighting, but I've decided this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. And after that, maybe I'll do the dishes. I also just realized I had some homework due yesterday that I, of course, did not do. So I need to do that. I don't know why I was all up in there. But yeah, I have to do whatever was due yesterday and whatever's due for today's Friday. Excuse me. So usually I have something due. The class just started. Like, this is my first class after the winter break. Today is the 12th. I don't know, whatever Friday it is. But I forgot the class started. So I completely missed the one that was due yesterday. And then I have more stuff due on Saturday, then again on Sunday. Last day. Monday is the last day to submit anything for the week. But they take 10% off every day that you don't submit it. The Thursday one, you can't submit it past Saturday. So I have to get it done as soon as possible. But yeah, that's what I have planned. And then I have one more vlog to, actually I have multiple vlogs to edit, but I have one more vlog that I would like to edit before I go to sleep today. So that's that. All I'm saying is at least I cleaned my fridge and my freezer, and I swept and mopped. And I took out my trash. Oh, I forgot to update you. My package is not there, so I definitely have to figure it out with the people. They're like, where my stuff at? But yeah, I came back, I swept and mopped. Now I'm gonna make my lunch. And whoa, excuse me. I put away my overnight oats and stuff. So we're slightly ahead, but in terms of school, I'm behind. So gotta eat real quick and do my homework, or do the dishes and then do my homework. We shall see. I'm rambling because I don't want to do no work. That nonsense singing is precisely why it takes me, why all my videos are over an hour long and I have to edit it down to like 10 to 20 minutes. The whole added gibberish. She looks good. Yum. I'm about to eat. And I'm watching NCIS. She was always my favorite, Abby. I'm trying to make this brownie slash cupcake, but my container's too small. It barely fits in me. Look. The cupcakes are done. I have a non-stick cupcake pan or muffin pan, so I make them without the papers. But I'm making them for my siblings. But I'm gonna definitely have some of the brownie still in the oven. Of course, as a fatty, I ate one of them, but this is what's looking like. I know you can't really fully see, but I'm watching NCIS and doing homework. I am doing homework right now. I finished what was due yesterday and 2 of the things that are due tomorrow. And I'm working on what's due on Sunday. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can and go to sleep. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come back for the next one. And thank you for all the new supporters. Be safe, be smart, have fun. Bye.